channel. You're watching the Sydney Musin Show with your host, Sydney Musin. Today I have sent it to Sendai. Been waiting to say that one. Today I am in Sendai, Japan in the Iwate Tohoku region. Again, the north of Japan. And this is pretty much the biggest city you can get to from Tokyo. So it's about 2 hours away from Tokyo up north. And today we are just spending the day here shopping around. Yeah, it's very sunny, but yet there's a ton of snow. So it's really, really pretty out. And I just popped out of the train station here. It's huge. This place is so aesthetic. I love this set. It's like everything you would ever need for like a meal. Oh, so cute. I found these wooden chopsticks that are super cute. Brent has been looking for some and they just have like a little top molding thing, but there's so many cute things. The essential oils. Also feel very calm in here. These are really pretty. They are reversible Japanese towels. 100% hand rolled and printed in Sake City, the top producer in Japan. They're just so pretty and they have so many different colors. I found myself in H&M and it's so cool to see the different kind of style they have. Like, look at this top. We would never see that. It's so cute. I really like this red top. It's only 400 yen. 4.99, sorry. I always round down. You already know I got the red shirt. Well, I have found the Kosho G Temple. It's really, really cool. Really pretty with the snow. Kind of hard to find, but there's a cemetery over there. I mean, right now there's just a lot of snow, so I think people aren't really trying to come in here, but it's like a big area you can probably go in other times, but this is the main attraction. It's really pretty. No one's here but me and a couple people shoveling snow, but you know, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna go ahead to get a quick snack because it is about 2:30 and I'm getting pretty hungry. So yeah, maybe a Family Mart or something. I don't need like a full sit down, but I need like maybe a coffee. It's just so cold. I'm like, I need something warm. There's also this over here, which is cool. And then here's the whole cemetery, just right here. I ended up finding this really cute cafe just around the corner from the temple, so I'm getting a like egg sandwichy thing and a coffee. Much needed. Just walked into this like giant Supercenter store. Just like very random things. Just for reference, this is what their alcohol looks like here. They got a lot of whiskey. This one is Brent's favorite and it's only like $10 here for that huge thing. Oh my gosh, I spoke too soon. Look how big this Centauri is. Like, that's crazy. 6,500 is, oh my gosh, like 50 bucks? Not even? Less than that maybe? I don't know. Whoa. I just found taco flavored Doritos. Ooh. Are these salt and vinegar chips? I have been waiting to try you here. They really like plum flavored things. I've noticed a lot of plum pureed stuff. It is so freezing outside. I have to keep going inside to places to warm up. But yeah, I'm just gonna head back to the station and then walk a little bit further. There's supposed to be a mega Don Quixote, but it's like 4 p.m. now and I'm still waiting for Brent for like 3 more hours. So let's hope I don't spend too much money. Back to the station and it's popping, and there's like a little farmer's market set up right here. Look who's here in the distance. It's little Brenty. Oh, he sees me. That's awkward. He knows. He knows. Back in Don Quixote. Oh yeah. It is not overwhelming at all. Okay, these are all the cool KitKat flavors. Look at this. Like a beet. We got one of these. Strawberry cheesecake. This is a sake flavored. I feel like we gotta get one of these. Sake flavored KitKat?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay, what else? We don't know what this is. Looks like a carrot, but couldn't tell you. A veggie. Maybe like coffee. And then what's this? Like molasses? I don't know. This looks like a sandwich to me. We already got the strawberry. An apple. I've seen this stuff all over TikTok. You like, it's edible like crystals. It's supposed to be so fun to like eat, like ASMR. So I'm gonna get some of these. The theme song for Don Quixote is playing. The interesting thing is you have to bag your own stuff like in the corner. So they have like a, I don't know, like a table usually with, sometimes they have like tape and other stuff that you can wrap it with, but yeah, you have to buy the bag and then you have to put it in your own bag. Interesting, right?
Yeah. Sometimes they have the newspaper if you have delicate stuff to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Which is really nice.
The vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.